Hey there friends, it's me, HLModTech, and I'm back with my second vlog entry, trip to San Francisco, and today we head to Alcatraz. So if you look behind me, you can actually see the lighthouse on Alcatraz lit up. I doubt I'm able to take any video out there, but I will be able to give you some commentary when I come back. Right now, let's take a quick look off the balcony of the suites at Fisherman's Wharf.
The National Park Service welcomes you to Alcatraz Island.
Alrighty friends, so when we got off that boat, they immediately gave us a few instructions, and then we went and watched this cool little video that was made by Discovery. It was about 17 minutes, totally worth the watch for some of the information you learned. And then we climbed this nice big hill and started on the audio tour, and I did not take any more video just because it was so cool to listen to the actual inmates, guards, and even some of the family, some of the kids of the family talk to us on that tour. It was riveting. Highly recommend it. Trip back was fine too. It was real simple. There's a boat that leaves like every half hour. You just pick whichever one you want. There's none scheduled. It was a really slick trip, and I highly recommend Alcatraz. Friends, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please hit that like button. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Mash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.